everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Winklink coin. What's the current price of the Winklink coin? What's the price in this token, the Winklink coin? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Thank you so much, friends. I know you all of my friends and you subscribe my channel, friends. I am sure that you subscribe my channel, friends. That is why I want to thank you so much, all of you, friends. Thank you so much once again. Let's start the video, friends. First of all, we look the latest price of the Winklink coin in the market. 0.000637 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Winklink coin. On the other side, if we look the price changes in the Winklink coin, so the last 1 hour pricing is going positive, last 1 day pricing is going the last 1 hour pricing is negative, only and only the last 1 day pricing as positive. I mean the yesterday pricing is positive, except after yesterday the previous changes in the Winklink coin is going negative, friends. Now if you look the last 1 week pricing, so the last 1 week pricing is also going negative. Let me show you, friends, the price chart, that what's going in the last 1 day, friends. You can see here in the last 1 day the pricing in the start of the last yesterday, the pricing is going positive, but and sometimes they also falls down occur in the Winklink coin. You can see here this time jumps occur in the Winklink coin, and after jumps they again falls down. You can see here, and now again take a jump, and now again falls down. And now if I zoom it, so you can understand that now they again start moving upward, friends. You can see here, and this time they again start moving upward. So I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, and absolutely that's a good news for all Winklink holders, that once again the Wink coin start jumping, friends. Anyways, if you look the 24 hours, the last 1 day price changes occur, so positive 15.04% price changes is going positive, and 0.000686 USD dollar is the highest price of the Winklink coin in the 24 hour, friends. So absolutely now the last 1 day pricing is absolutely going good positive, and I hope now they continue stable between these two lines. You can see here they start moving upward, friends, gradually. If you look the average level, so they continue stable between these two lines. So if they continue stable between these two lines, so I hope that in the last half of 2021 they can easily hit 0.60 USD dollar, friends. What do you think? Can they hit? Absolutely hit, friends. Not a big target, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Winklink coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.